Hello again at Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs. Today we have Acer laptop and the charging port is broken, so the customer is not able to charge his laptop. So we decided to change the charging port with this soldering piece. Today I'm going to show you how to change the charging port in the laptop, the one it needs soldering. So first of all, we can add a little bit flux. So the reason I put this soldering, because I need to change the manufacturing soldering, which is very strong. So when we add our soldering material here, so we'll make it a little bit easier to remove it. So kind of soften the soldering from manufacturing. It's not very necessarily, but it's better to do this step. So we'll do the same on the other side. Because when we apply heat, then it will be easier to take off this broken piece in the motherboard. This motherboard belongs to the Acer laptop. So here we go. So now we just need to clean the remaining soldering in the motherboard, and we are ready to put like a new one. See, since we cleaned it properly, now the charging port is fit inside the holes. The ground and the 19 volt, it goes fit perfectly inside the holes. We can add a little bit of flux. Now we'll add soldering to all the pins in the motherboard to make sure all the connection is connected to the board. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe in the channel. We are available in Richmond, Ontario. If you need any laptop repair, liquid damage, motherboard issue, battery, charging port, screen, we do all this stuff for Windows laptop and for MacBook as well, Apple computers. You can visit our website at mapleplaptopservices.com. to know about our services, and you can book an appointment or give us a call, 416-587-7105. Thank you for watching the video. See you next video. Thank you.